How to use free voice changer app. Hi everyone, today I have a fun video for all of you. I want to show you how you can use a voice changer app on your PC. So I don't know, maybe you want to sound a little bit more manly, or maybe you just inhaled a lot of helium and you want to have a helium voice. You can lower the pitch on your voice. Maybe you want to cry about something, so you have a baby voice. So we are going to look at two different free apps that allow you to do all of this. Once you set it up, you can use these different voices in any other application. So maybe you're in a Zoom meeting and you want to change your voice. Maybe you have a Discord server or even Microsoft Teams. Maybe you're playing a game. Maybe you're on stream. You can use these voices in any one of these applications so you can have a lot of fun. Alright, let's jump on the PC and let's see how we can change our voice. How to get voice mod. The first voice changer that we are going to look at today is called Voice Mod. And this is one of the most well-known. You can get it on the website voicemod.net. VoiceMod has both a free version and also a paid version. With the free version, you get 5 different voice effects every single day. So let's say you use VoiceMod today and then you use it again tomorrow. Tomorrow you will get an entirely different set of 5 voices. With the paid version, you can unlock hundreds of different voices. You can tweak the various effects. You can even create your own voices, but it does carry a $30 lifetime license fee. To install this app, on the home page, click on this prominent button right down here. Run through the install and then launch into the app. As you can see, you can enter with Discord, with Twitch, with Google, or you can enter your email. Now you will see download page. Now you have to choose for which computer you have to install this app. Then you should click on the allow button, and here you go. Now you will see the install voice mod window. You should click the allow button. Then you should click on the continue button. And then you should click on the install button. Then you will see the VoiceMod app page and you should click on the get started button. Alright, now you should select your microphone and select your headphones. And now you should click on the bottom left button. Up at the very top, I can see all of the voices that I get for free today. On the left hand side, I currently have the clean voice selected. So this means that there are no filters applied to my voice. If I want to apply different filters on my voice, I simply click on it. To turn off the different effects, I simply go over to the left-hand side and click on Clean. Up at the top, I can see how much time I have left with these 5 free voices. And as soon as this reaches 0, these 5 voices will disappear and I will get another set of 5 free voices. So how do I actually use the different voice mod effects in different applications? Well, here I'm in a Zoom meeting, but once again, this works in any other application where you can select a microphone. This could be in Discord, Steam, it could be in your favorite game. All you need to do is go down to where you select your microphone. Here in Zoom, I will click on this and this shows me all the different microphones that I can choose from. Once you installed voice mod, you will see a new virtual microphone. Here it says microphone voice mod. When I select this, any of the voice effects now in voice mod will flow through to Zoom or whatever application you happen to be using. Now let's talk about Clownfish app. The next free voice changer that we are going to look is called the Clownfish voice changer. You can download this at the following website. Clownfish is entirely free. Well, now we're going to talk about the ultimate voice changer for Chrome. Clownfish Voice Changer is an extension for changing your voice. Every web application that uses microphone or other audio capture device will be affected. In general, your voice will be modified web version of Skype, Discord, Viber, Teams, and others. Current effects list are alien, Atari, clone, mutation, fast mutation, slow mutation, male pitch, baby, helium, and custom pitch. Music player with enhanced audio control and playlist, various media formats supported. Sound player with built-in sounds and management. And also there is the Virtual Studio Technology plugin support. It supports Windows Vista 7, 8, 8.1, 10 and 11. To get Clownfish, up on the top, click on Download. On the install page, choose the version of Clownfish that you want to download and then run through the installation process. Alright, so now I will choose the web store icon. So I will install the Chrome version of Clownfish Voice Changer. Now you will see the Chrome web store page. And there is the Clownfish Voice Changer for Chrome. To install this version, you should click on the blue button on the right top corner. You can see there is Add to Chrome button. You should click on this button and then you will see the page that says Add Clownfish Voice Changer for Chrome. And now you should take the Add Extension option. So now you will see on the top right corner, New Window. Clownfish Voice Changer for Chrome has been added to Chrome. Manage your extensions by clicking Extensions in the window menu. Alright, so you can see there is this Basil button on the top right corner in your Google Chrome page. And when you will click on this puzzle button, you will see your extensions. As you can see, these extensions don't need to see and change information on this side. You can see that there is a button where you can manage your extension, you can pin your extension, and you have some settings about it. So we can see that there is the new extension, Clownfish Voice Changer. And now when you will click on this one, you will see that there is a new window appear, Clownfish Voice Changer. On the top right corner of this window, you can see that there is on button. You can turn it on and off with this one. You can see that there is a lot of new effects as Ellen, Atari, Clone, Mutation, Fast Mutation, Slow Mutation, Male Pitch, Female Pitch, Helium Pitch, Baby Pitch, and Custom Pitch. Also, you can manage these effects. You can see that there is more info button if you want to see a little bit more information about this. What is great about Clownfish Voice Changer is that you can turn it on without leaving your page. It's really simple to turn on your Clownfish Voice Changer because you just go to this puzzle button and then click on the Clownfish Voice Changer button. So you can use it in every single app that you will use in your Chrome. Well, that's how you can change your voice on your PC. If this video helped you, please give me a big thumbs up, and to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe our channel. Well, that's all I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, I hope to see you next time. Bye!